but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
What's up, y'all? It's Bree back with another YouTube video, even though it's been like 2 years, so we're not even gonna talk about it. Today you're gonna watch me do miracle knots using Amazon human hair crochet, y'all. Absolutely love this hair. I was in a crunch. I was going on a trip back home, and so I needed hair real quick. I wanted to order from Icy Hair, but when I went to go check out, it was not giving me specific information on how long it was going to take my shipment to get to me. So I literally hopped on Amazon and I had to do what it do. I purchased this hair from a company named Coolie Moo Wig. These bundles are 16 inches long. They are Burmese curly. It was 180 grams in the pack, and it ended up being $125.99 without tax. I absolutely love this hair. I had no complaints. I washed it multiple times. It was super durable, and I feel like it's going to last me a long time. I started off by sectioning my hair directly down the middle, and then I parted from ear to ear. I was going for bigger parts in this style. Y'all, if no one has told you, let me tell you, this style is not for everybody. I think this style honestly works best with people with more dense hair, thicker hair. Despite my hair looking super full in its curly state, I feel that my hair is super fine, and so this style worked for me, but only because I did big parts. I wouldn't have been able to do any parts smaller than the ones that I did to achieve this style. My braids would have been way too skinny. I also opted to just braid the pieces of crochet hair in as opposed to crocheting them in. I know how to braid, so it was easier for me to just braid it in. I didn't feel like braiding my whole head and then going back like double the work, so I didn't want to do that. I also didn't want to deal with the hassle of takedown, because I've heard horror stories of people trying to take down their miracle knots when the pieces have been crocheted in, and it's been a disaster. In order to get the piece in there, I would just feed it in like normal. I would pull the string all the way down into the hair to where the thread was disguised in my natural hair. You weren't able to see the thread when I was braiding it down. Once I reached the end of that thread, that's when I would pull the second piece of the curly hair out, and then I would just continue to braid down. The first couple rows, I used about 2 pieces per braid. When I got to that middle top row, I used 4 pieces, I believe. In the back of my head, most of the braids had about 2 to 3 pieces. I started to run out of hair low key, so at the very top of the back of my head, I had to use 2 pieces for those braids. I do still think it was as full as I wanted it to be. Like, I thought it was super cute. If you were going for a super full look, you can get more packs. I just didn't think it was necessary. I really was concerned about it looking fuller in the front, and I think this look was super cute, y'all. I did slow down some clips in order for you to see exactly how I put in the pieces, and I hope you're able to understand and see how I put those curly pieces in. I did have this style in for over a month. Washed it a couple times, went swimming. Didn't submerge my head in the swimming pool water, but definitely got the back pieces wet. And I feel like the curls held up well. The hair looks so much better when it was washed too, y'all. Like, the look was so cute when it was washed and air dried. I loved all the fun styles I was able to do, and I would definitely do this style again. For the ends of my hair, I literally just braided it all the way down as far as I could, as far as my natural hair would go. Swirled it around my finger with that gel on it, and those end pieces were secure. I didn't have any pieces fall out or any braids unravel. They lasted the whole month. I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video, and I'll come back for the final result. What do y'all think about this final result? I absolutely love this look, y'all. I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna have to spin the block on this style because it is super cute, especially for the summertime. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.